Hi there, this is Technology Man's World, and today I will tell you that how to annotate on PDFs using Microsoft Edge. So, why do we use Microsoft Edge to annotate PDFs? You can use other applications, but Microsoft Edge helps to annotate, means it helps you to draw, highlight, erase, and do a lot more things that are not available in normal PDFs, and that can help you. So, how do we open the PDFs using Microsoft Edge? So, first you have to go to File Explorer or go to the place where your PDF is located. Now, I know that Microsoft Edge may not be your default PDF app. So, you have to click on Home, you have to click on Open, and you have to click on Choose Another App. Then you have to choose Microsoft Edge. I have the Microsoft Edge developer, so I'll choose this one, and this will be my default PDF application. Now, why I'm not using Microsoft Edge is because there are some new features in the Microsoft Edge developer, and they're absolutely fantastic. So, in the last video, I told that how can you download this Microsoft Edge developer. So if you have not watched that video, watch it. So okay, now let's click on the OK, and now you see we have opened the PDF. So now let's start with the basic. So here you can draw. So maybe we want to underline some things. That's simple, but that's how you draw. So if you want to just see some things, like if it's important, so like you want to see, maybe I want to see this important, the background important, the sign important. Now maybe we want to just give different colors. You can also do that. So you can change it to red. You can also improve the thickness. So you can do it to the highest. And now you can mark it as a star, like this is important. This you can just do like this to make it thick. I know it's looking very funny, but yeah, that's how you draw. Now let me tell you about highlight. So now, before telling about highlight, let me tell you that you can also erase. So here you can see I've erased all of them. Now with highlight, you can highlight on the text like this. You have to just select the text and it gets highlighted. So this is very easy if you're not that good in drawing, like you can't just do that underlining and things like that. But sometimes it's necessary to draw, and you will get to know it when you need. So now you also have some colors for highlight, maybe green, blue, pink, red. These are the colors available in highlight, but you have a lot of colors in draw. Now there are more advanced options. Here if you want to make it a little small, you can make it as much as you want. So this is the max minimum small you can make. Now you can zoom it out to max. So it's like this. So now I'm just returning to the normal size. Now you can also rotate. So maybe it's rotated in this way and you can understand what this text is. Sometimes it happens like that. In this case, click on the rotate button, rotate like that, and there you have it. You can also do page view, in which you can see side to side 2 pages at once. This is available in the Microsoft Edge developer. It is not available in the normal Microsoft Edge. So now you have this option, so cover page separately. So now you can see books with the cover. So cover and the book page are to be separated. So that's why there's a separate option in which the cover is shown as one only and the pages are shown as double. So now it's looking good, as you can see. And now there are more options, and these options are amazing. So here you can see read aloud. So this can make your PDF read. Sounds interesting, right? So let me do it to a single page and let me just get the settings right so that you can understand. So I'm clicking on read aloud.
Here are 4 tips to get work done from
And here you can see that it's reading. This is very good in case like when you are doing something else and still listening to it. Like it's helpful when you are doing something else and then you can read it. It is just so this is useful when you are doing other works and then someone is reading it for you. Now you have some voice options. If you don't like some voice, you want to go to like Microsoft Zero.
Anywhere with Adobe Acrobat.
Yeah. So this changes the voice. It was a male voice. Now it's a female voice. You can also choose the speed. If you want it to a bit fast, it's a bit slow.
Acrobat, Adobe Sign, and
So that's how you manage speed. You can also do it a bit slow.
Sign, and Adobe Document Clouds.
So here you can read it aloud to you. Now you have one more option, which is the table of contents. Now this makes your work easier. Now what is this? So here you can see welcome to document cloud. Here are the 4 tips. Now work where you want. So like if you see a book, you see the chapters written in front. So what is written in the chapter, you have to just scroll down and see. So but here you have to see what topic it's talking about. So here work where you want, flexibility and freedom. It will show you like this. This is easy for you to understand. So like there are in one topic you have 2 things. So you can view those 2 things just like on a table of contents, which is easy for you. So like in one chapter, what topics you get to see, that will be in a table of contents. So this is very useful for students. Now you have the search option. In search you can search for things. Like here you have desktop. You can see where desktop is written. You can see organize. Here organize is written. So this is also very useful. Now if you want to just annotate, like I just highlighted it, I just highlighted more places. Yeah, I'm just doing some things. Adobe Acrobat. Okay, so this is the thing I'm doing. Now if you just close it, it will be not saved. You have to click on the save button. And if you have just downloaded from Gmail this thing and it's not saved in the desktop, you have to click on this. And now you can print it with your computer with the print option. Now what is this pin button? Like it's looking like a pin button, right? Now if you do this thing, it will suddenly just see what happens. So here you can see the difference. So when you just go down the page, it will automatically vanish if you do a bit like that. So when you are reading, when you don't want this, you can do that. So that's all about your annotation in Microsoft Edge. So I'm going to save it and hope you like this video. If you have, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that you get notified each time I make a tech video. And if you want me to cover any other topic of tech, write down in the comments. And till then, goodbye guys.